Hare Krishna, I left my corporate job for Jyotish. See, if you don't know where you're coming from, it's not worth it where you're going ahead. And I know there was something which was incomplete, and that incomplete was huge. When I started learning Jyotish, it was books, YouTube videos, and learning from friends. But then I realized we need a guru, we need a teacher who could hold your hand and teach you what books will not. And this particular course that I've launched, Jyotish Acharya, after successful 12 batches, we are going to introduce another 13th batch. We begin from Panch Devta Pooja and then going ahead to learn basics of Jyotish, ethics of Jyotish. These things books will not teach. It's all about Raj Jyotish. From drishtis to aspects to Rashi drishti to Graha drishti to houses, cusps, dasha systems to matchmakings, matrimonial yogas in the horoscope, all the sukhas and dukkhas of the horoscope, marankarak sthana grahas, combust planets, astangata grahas, from retrogression to exaltation to debilitation, we create a very, very sound foundation. In Jyotish Acharya, this is the one course that will give you such a beautiful platform that can take you to take any complicated course, because Jyotish is all about learning whole life. Ladies and gentlemen, 35 lectures of pure bliss, hard work and simplicity is what Jyotish Acharya all about. Please join with me. This is Navneet Chitkara, your Astro Scientist. Thank you and Hare Krishna.